This tutorial today is going to go over managing students, interns, and workers on vocfit.com. To manage students, interns, and workers, begin by clicking on your organization. You may have multiple organizations, so make sure you select the one that your student, intern, or worker belongs to. This will bring you to your organization's homepage, and from here you are going to click the red Manage Students, Interns, and Workers button. That will bring you to this page. If you are looking to add a student, intern, or worker, you're going to click on the blue Add Student, Intern, Worker button at the top left-hand side of the page. And this is where you will fill in information for the student, intern, or worker. We highly encourage you to create codes for the students instead of using their real names. For example, here I have used D. Make sure you select the correct site for the individual, and for desired hours per week and desired wage per hour, move the slider bar both on the left and right sides to set the minimum and maximum values. After double checking your information and making sure it is all correct, you are going to scroll to the bottom of the page and click the red Add button, and you will get this message. To complete a student assessment, you want to navigate back to the Managing Students page and find the student, intern, or worker that you would like to assess. You can also search for specific individuals by typing in their name, site, or year you created that student in the system by typing it in and clicking the search button. And we see the one that we just created pop up right here. You are going to click on the Details button next to the student who you want to fill out an assessment for to start filling out that assessment. And this assessment should be completed by someone who knows the individual well and can evaluate their work-related skills. And after clicking the Details button, you will be brought to the student's profile page. First, we are going to show you how to complete the student, intern assessments, but there are also some other functions you can complete on this page. You can email the assessment to someone else to complete, so someone else will be filling out that assessment for the student. You can also complete the student assessment or download the student assessment PDF to fill out offline. Go ahead and click that Complete Student Assessment Now button if you're ready to complete their assessment. You will see this screen, and if you have created a test, student, intern, or worker to practice the assessment, you are going to select No on this page, which is what we'll be doing today since this is a tutorial and it is not a real student. But if you are actually completing the assessment for a real student, please select Yes and click Next, which we will not be doing today. This will bring you to the student, intern, worker assessment or the vocational fit assessment. There are 11 sections to evaluate here. So what you want to do is read the questions on the left side and mark the student, intern, or worker's ability to complete the task as either high, some, or low in the coordinating bubbles. Rate the individual's ability based on your observations and experience with that individual. After you're done with a page, you're going to click the red Next button at the bottom of the screen, which will bring you to the next page. If you printed a copy of the assessment or filled it out offline, you will need to manually enter the data into vocfit.com, so make sure you are referring to that printed or other copy and filling in all the data accordingly. I am going to skip over some of the 11 pages of questions here for the sake of time, but once you get to that last page, which is the interpersonal skills page, instead of seeing a red Next button at the bottom of the screen, you will then see a red Submit button. And after you are done filling out the assessment, you are going to click that red Submit button. You'll get this message. You can start an assessment and complete it at a later time, but we recommend completing it in one sitting. If you start an assessment by accident, do not finish it. Exit by clicking on the dashboard button at the top of the page. And when you navigate back to your Managing Students, Interns, Workers page, you should see that if you started an assessment, you either have the options to complete that assessment or delete that assessment. but once an assessment has been completed, it cannot be deleted. And next, we're going to show you how to email a student, intern, or worker assessment request. You might want to do this if someone else knows the individual better, or you might want to ask a few different people to assess the same individual to get different perspectives on this person's abilities. To email this request, click that Email Student, Intern, Worker Assessment Request button, and you will be brought to this page. On this page, enter the email of the person who will be completing the assessment, and you may want to enter some instructions for the person about how to complete the assessment or other information specific to your organization. And after you're done filling in this information, you are going to click the red Send Request button, and they will receive the request via email from admin@vocefit.com. You cannot delete an assessment request sent to another person. Please ask the person to not complete the assessment if a mistake occurred. And you can see we got this success message. So next we are going to be showing you how to edit or archive students, interns, and workers. So you are going to want to navigate to the person's page who you want to edit or archive. If you're editing, click that edit button on the left side of the screen and edit any information that you need to change about this individual. And after you're done editing that information, click the red update button at the bottom of the screen. Now, if you're trying to archive a student from your page or delete a student from your page, you are going to click that blue Archive Student, Intern, Worker button on the left side of the screen, but only do this if the individual has left your organization and you no longer need to access their assessments and reports. And then if you complete that, you'll get a message.